All right, good day, students. You are welcome to another do-it-yourself video. In this video, I will show you guys how to choose a practical center for your practical courses. First of all, you need to note that this is mainly for students who register practical courses this semester. So those in sciences, some students in management science or social science that will be doing CIT 104, Physics 191, Chemistry 191, Bio 191, IFT 191, Cybersecurity 191, all those courses that are practical courses. Well, to confirm if you actually register for any practical course, what you do is go to my courses. When you click on my courses, mind you, this is your non-student portal, the SMS portal. That is student management system. So that is nouonline.nou.edu.ng. When you log in like this and you click on my courses, on the sub menu here, scroll down to the last item there, choose center for practical. So when you click on it, of course, you can see you have to, please make sure you do this as soon as possible because the centers will soon be filled up. So what you do is, these are the centers that are available for practicals. If your state is not mentioned here, you will visit the nearest state to your location to do the practical. So these are the only available centers that you're allowed to choose for your practical. Now, for instance, if I am going to Osogbo, for instance, and I click on Osun, assuming that's where I want to do mine probably for this person, this is the courses you register will show here. So you have to select, and in fact, it's already here. This is the only batch available for this course. This course, Chemistry 191, is only available for the third batch, 14th September to 26th of September. We have about 4 windows. The first window is starting by 17th August to 29th August. That is not, I don't think there is any 100 level course that fall within this period. It's mostly for 200 level or 100 level second semester and above. The second window is from 31st August to 12th of September. The third window is 14th September to 26th September, and the last window is 28th September to 10th of October. So the practical goes on. The window you will select is dependent on the courses you register. So the courses that show here, that appears here, the windows that are available, or where that course is actually available based on the timetable they will release very soon, is what you will select. Once you select, you submit. Success. Now, this is success. You will see print center admission slip. It's very important to print it. Well, I will not click on it here because I don't want you guys to see the student details, but once you click on it, it's going to download as PDF. That is what you will take along to that center that day where you choose here. You print it along with your course registration slip showing that you register for all the practical courses and with other items that each center will, require from you. So thank you for watching. Share with all students and you will help someone today. Stay tuned for more.